Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into a topic that sparks adventure, ignites curiosity, and frankly has the potential to make your next outdoor excursion a lot more interesting than just a pleasant walk. We're talking about mineral prospecting, not just for the grizzled old prospector with a pickaxe and a donkey, but for everyone from the seasoned geologist to the weekend rockhound and earth science enthusiast. Have you ever looked at a rugged landscape and wondered, what secrets are hidden beneath these rocks? Or imagined unearthing a valuable mineral that could change everything? Well, you're not alone. The allure of discovering Earth's treasures is as old as humanity itself. But how goes we approach it in the modern age? How do we move beyond just hoping for a lucky stumble and instead approach it with knowledge, technique, and a bit of scientific savvy? That's precisely what we're going to explore today. Think of this as your ultimate roadmap to understanding the fascinating world of mineral exploration, drawing inspiration from a phenomenal resource that's been making waves in the prospecting community. A truly comprehensive guide that demystifies the process. The call of the wild. Why prospect for minerals? First things first, why should we even bother with mineral prospecting? Beyond the sheer thrill of discovery, there are incredibly compelling reasons, both economically and scientifically. We're talking about minerals that are absolutely critical to our modern world. Take copper, for instance. It's the lifeblood of our electrical grids, the backbone of our electronics, and a fundamental component in everything from construction to renewable energy technologies. Now, without copper, our digital lives would grind to a halt. Then there's lithium, the superstar mineral powering our electric vehicles, smartphones, and the rapidly expanding world of battery storage. It's the key to our green energy future, and demand is skyrocketing, and of course the enduring sparkle of diamonds. Beyond their undeniable aesthetic appeal, industrial diamonds are indispensable in manufacturing, cutting, and drilling applications. The economic insights into these minerals are fascinating. Understanding their market value, their geopolitical significance, and the drivers behind their demand isn't just for investors. It's crucial for any serious prospector. It helps you prioritize, strategize, and truly appreciate the impact of your potential finds. An excellent guide doesn't just tell you what to look for, but why it's important, giving context to your outdoor exploration. It transforms a casual search into a purposeful quest. Historically, mining has shaped civilizations, fueled empires, and driven exploration. Today, while the methods have evolved, the fundamental drive to find these resources remains unchanged. And guess what? There are still incredible discoveries to be made right beneath our feet, just waiting for the right person with the right knowledge to uncover them. The art of exploration, beyond just digging a hole. So you're ready to embrace your inner Indiana Jones, minus the fedora and bullwhip, unless that's your style. Where do you even begin? This isn't just about randomly swinging a pickaxe, it's about employing essential exploration techniques that vastly increase your chances of success. A truly valuable guide will walk you through a systematic approach to outdoor exploration. This starts long before you even set foot in the field. It involves geological mapping, understanding regional tectonics. Hello, structural geologists. This is your playground. And interpreting existing data. We're talking about studying satellite imagery, topographic maps, and even old mining records to identify promising areas. It's like being a detective, piecing together clues from the Earth's past to predict where the treasures of its present might lie. You learn how to spot geological formations that are often associated with specific mineral deposits. Are you in an area with ancient volcanic activity? Great. That might be conducive to certain types of ore bodies. Are there signs of hydrothermal alteration? Bingo, that's a classic indicator. Knowing these signs is like having X-ray vision for rocks. You start to see the landscape not just as pretty scenery, but as a giant open-air textbook waiting to be read. The concept of sniffing out promising areas becomes an art form. It's about understanding the geological processes that concentrate minerals, whether it's magmatic, hydrothermal, or sedimentary. You begin to recognize patterns, subtle changes in vegetation, soil discoloration, or specific rock types that hint at something significant beneath the surface. It's a dance between observation and geological intuition, honed by practical advice and a deep understanding of earth science principles. Field identification. Your eyes are your best tools. Once you're in a promising area, the real fun begins. Field identification. This is where those step-by-step ID tips become your secret weapon. You need to identify minerals on the spot with no need a full lab setup, though a hand lens is always a good idea. A good prospecting guide will equip you with the knowledge to recognize minerals based on their physical properties: color, luster, streak, hardness, crystal habit, cleavage, and specific gravity. You learn practical tricks like the old scratch test for hardness, or observing how light reflects off a mineral surface to determine its luster. It's like learning a new language, but instead of words, you're learning the unique characteristics of different rocks and minerals. Imagine you're hunting for copper. You wouldn't just look for a shiny penny. You'd be looking for malachite's vibrant green or azurite's deep blue, telltale signs of oxidized copper minerals in the surrounding rocks. For lithium, you might be seeking out pegmatites containing minerals like spodumene. And for diamonds? Well, finding a kimberlite pipe is usually the first big clue, followed by looking for indicator minerals that often accompany diamonds, such as pyrope garnet or ilmenite. It's a bit like playing Geological I Spy, but with much higher stakes and infinitely more satisfying results. These tips aren't just for show, they're essential. They allow you to assess a sample, determine if it warrants further investigation, or if you should move on. It saves time, energy, and ensures you're not lugging around a backpack full of pretty, but ultimately valueless rocks. And trust me, after a few hours of hiking, every gram in that backpack counts. Safety first, treasure second, protocols and ethics. Now, before you rush out the door, let's talk about something incredibly important: safety protocols and ethical practices. The great outdoors is indeed a discovery playground, but it's also a place that demands respect and caution. A top-tier guide won't just tell you how to find minerals, it will hammer home the importance of doing it safely and responsibly. Safety protocols are non-negotiable. This includes everything from knowing how to navigate challenging terrain and understanding local wildlife, to carrying appropriate first aid supplies and letting someone know your itinerary. Proper equipment like sturdy boots, sun protection, and plenty of water isn't optional, it's crucial. And always be aware of potential hazards like unstable rock formations, abandoned mine shafts, or extreme weather conditions. We want you to find treasures, not become one of geology's unsolved mysteries. Equally vital are the legal and ethical aspects of mineral prospecting. This isn't the Wild West anymore. You absolutely must understand land ownership, mining claims, and local regulations. Prospecting on private land without permission is trespassing, and removing minerals from protected areas can lead to serious legal trouble. A responsible guide will teach you how to legally identify and stake claims, how to secure necessary permits, and how to interact respectfully with landowners and other outdoor enthusiasts. Ethical prospecting also extends to environmental stewardship. We are guests in nature's grand cathedral. This means leaving no trace, minimizing your impact, and ensuring your activities don't harm the delicate ecosystems you're exploring. Collecting samples should be done mindfully without causing unnecessary damage. The goal is to discover Earth's riches, not to plunder them. After all, what good is a valuable find if the environment around it is ruined? The super fun aspect of prospecting comes from doing it right, knowing you're contributing to a sustainable future, not detracting from it. Tools of the trade, from hammer to high-tech. So what gear do you need for this adventure? The right equipment can make all the difference. While a good old rock hammer and a hand lens are timeless essentials, modern exploration embraces cutting-edge exploration tech that would make prospectors of old gasp in awe. For the basics, think durable. A sturdy rock hammer, ideally one with a pointed pick for splitting rocks and a flat head for breaking them. Safety glasses are a must, trust me. Nobody wants a rock chip in their eye. A good geological compass for taking strike and dip measurements, a hand lens for examining small crystals, and sample bags for keeping your finds organized are fundamental. Don't forget a sturdy backpack, enough water, and some snacks because prospecting can be surprisingly strenuous work. But let's talk about the exciting stuff, cutting-edge exploration tech. This is where modern geologists truly shine. We're talking about drones equipped with magnetometers or hyperspectral sensors that can survey vast areas quickly, identifying geological anomalies from the air. We're using sophisticated GPS and GIS software to precisely map our finds and track our progress. Geochemistry plays a massive role with portable X-ray fluorescence (XRF) analyzers that can give you instant elemental analysis of a rock sample right in the field. Imagine knowing the exact composition of a rock before you even take it back to the lab. The integration of machine learning and AI into geological data analysis is revolutionizing how we interpret vast data sets, predict mineral occurrences, and optimize drilling targets. While you might not be bringing a supercomputer into the field, understanding these technologies helps you interpret the data available to you and appreciate the broader context of modern exploration. A truly comprehensive guide covers these aspects, bridging the gap between traditional methods and the innovative tools of today. It's all about working smarter, not just harder. From beginner prospector to seasoned pro. A journey of discovery. One of the most appealing aspects of mineral prospecting is that it's an adventure accessible to everyone. Whether you're a curious beginner prospector or a seasoned expert, there's always something new to learn, a new spot to discover, and a new challenge to overcome. This isn't just an outdoor hobby, it's a pathway to turning nature into a discovery playground. For beginners, a guide offers a structured path, demystifying what might seem like an overwhelming pursuit. It breaks down complex geological concepts into understandable terms, providing practical field ID tips that build confidence. It's about taking those first tentative steps, perhaps finding your first piece of interesting quartz, and then building on that excitement to discover something truly significant. It helps you avoid common pitfalls and jumpstart your adventure with the right knowledge. For junior and senior geologists, structural geologists, and specialists in tectonics, such a resource can be a fantastic refresher, a source for new perspectives, or a practical field companion. It helps connect theoretical knowledge to tangible, real-world applications. The guide dives deep into specific minerals like copper, lithium, and diamonds, offering economic insights and detailed exploration techniques that can enhance existing professional expertise. It's about refining your craft, exploring new methodologies, and perhaps even challenging some long-held assumptions. You might even find yourself saying, "Last summer, I found several new spots using its practical field tips." Imagine this satisfaction. The geological community benefits from accessible, accurate information that fosters responsible exploration and encourages new discoveries. This isn't just about individual treasure hunts. It's about contributing to our collective understanding of Earth's resources and geology. The journey continues, decoding the history and future. Finally, this journey of mineral prospecting isn't just about the present find, it's about connecting with the Earth's deep past and envisioning its future. A truly excellent guide decodes the history and future of mining, placing your individual discoveries within a grander narrative. Understanding mining history gives you a profound appreciation for the challenges and triumphs of those who came before us. It helps explain the distribution of old mine workings, the legacy of past resource rushes, and the evolution of extraction techniques. You learn how different eras targeted different minerals based on the technology and demand of the time. It's a fascinating look into human ingenuity and perseverance, and looking to the future as our world rapidly changes and demands new resources for green technologies and advanced electronics. The role of the mineral prospector becomes ever more critical. We need additional sources of lithium, cobalt, rare earth elements, and more. The future of our technological progress and our transition to a sustainable energy economy hinges on successful exploration and responsible resource management. So, whether you're looking for the next big mineral deposit, dreaming of a diamond discovery, or simply seeking a deeply rewarding outdoor hobby, embracing the knowledge found in a comprehensive mineral prospector guide is your gateway. It's your ultimate treasure map for the great outdoors, transforming nature into a playground of discovery. It's legal, it's ethical, and it's super fun. Don't wait. Grab your metaphorical coffee, maybe a real one too, and jumpstart your adventure today. The Earth's riches are waiting to be discovered, and with the right knowledge, you could be the one to find them. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and tell your friends and colleagues about it.
Welcome to my channel, where you'll find over 2,000 videos on geology, geochemistry, AI, and many other subjects. If you like what you see, help us grow by subscribing, liking, and sharing this channel.
YouTube elimina la barrera de los idiomas. Ahora ya puedes oír los vídeos en tu lengua materna aunque estén en inglés. Sigue estos pasos sencillos. 1. Abre el video en YouTube que quieres mirar. 2. Haz clic en el icono de los subtítulos. Parece una pequeña CC, está abajo a la derecha del vídeo. Si los subtítulos están en inglés, haz clic en el icono de configuración, el engranaje, también abajo a la derecha. 4. Selecciona Subtítulos y después elige Traducción automática. 5. Busca y selecciona Español en la lista de idiomas. ¡Listo! Ahora puedes ver y entender cualquier vídeo en inglés, con subtítulos en español. Así, YouTube te ayuda a aprender sin importar el idioma original del video.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.